What's the biggest breakthrough in tech today? Carbon nanofibers, hands down. Imagine a material so advanced it absorbs microwaves with crazy efficiency. Meet carbon nanofiber and graphene oxide aerogel. This combo creates ultra-wide broadband absorption. It means better performance in everything from stealth tech to communications. And it's super lightweight. Cutting-edge innovation right at your fingertips. Stay tuned for more tech awesomeness. Global Best Achievements Awards 2025. The 26th of April 2025. Berlin, Germany. Nominations are open now. Visit bestachievements.com. Nominate now. Subscribe for more videos.